Hey guys, so I'm back from Coachella. I'm back in LA and it was such a long weekend. So many crazy things, but it was my first time and I loved it. It was so much fun. I'm gonna have a separate vlog up for that. But now that I'm back, I'm like, getting my energy back, trying to be healthy again because, it was a long weekend. So I'm about to go to Nectar Juice Bar. I've never been to this one. This is at the Westfield Mall. But I've heard a lot of good things about it, so I want to try it out. And I like how it's outside actually, like you don't have to go inside the mall at all. It's like right there, so super cute. So let's go check it out. Oh, and actually they have an app for it. That's the Nectar app. So you get a free smoothie if you just sign up, so that's pretty cool. And this is valid till May 1st, so just for getting the app you get a free smoothie. And then for every 10 times you come and get something, you get a free smoothie as well. So that's pretty cool. So let's go check it out. How cute is this? Hello. I'm vlogging. This is a 6-day celery detox. This is so cool. I just got back from Coachella, so I'm like, let me get some, juice and be healthy. Get a shot, get an energy shot. Look, there's wellness shots, energy shots, immunity shots, superfood protein, charcoal. Ooh, this one is definitely gonna like cleanse you out. All these detoxes, those are electrolyte water. So pretty, so many different choices. And these are cool. So you have chocolate, berry. Ooh, I get samples too. Yes. Which one is this? What's the flavor?
Coconut vanilla.
Ooh.
Dairy ice cream.
Oh my god. That's real good. I'm trying to hold all this. I got the app too. So.
There you go.
And what is this one?
Chocolate bliss. Both vegan.
I love chocolate. Vegan? Oh, so both vegan. So hey guys, if you're vegan, you can come get it.
They gotta come here to
Don't worry about it. So many people in LA are vegan. A lot of my friends are like, I'm vegetarian, but I still eat like, I'm not vegan. I still have dairy and stuff. But for my friends that are vegan, come check out Nectar. So I'm trying to think what to get. There's so many choices. Protein cookies. Everything looks so good. And this is like a cool present too. You can get like a 6-day detox and give it to someone.
What's your name?
So this is awesome.
Hey, Miss Coachella.
Yeah.
Like our ice cream?
I loved it. The chocolate one is so good. I love the chocolate one. I love everything chocolate. This is so cute. That's the one I had, the chocolate bliss right there. This is like a cute lunch date place. So what should I get? These parfaits look really good. I might just do like a juice detox. Definitely a shot. I'm gonna get one of these wellness shots. I still have leftover henna from Coachella. I think I need immunity because I feel like under the weather. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. So I don't wanna do that. Wellness burn. They're all cold pressed energy. I feel like I need energy and immunity. I'm gonna get these two. And healing greens with prebiotics. I'm gonna grab that too. Oh, you have also some on ice. But this is already like a fridge, they're already cold. But I'm gonna get the healing greens. I feel like I need to be healed. Focus. It's got prebiotics in it. So I'm gonna get that. And then these smoothies I'm just trying to decide. I'm gonna get these shots, a juice, and then I don't know what else.
You like fresh juices?
Mm-hmm.
We have some fresh juices as well.
Which one?
The greenie is my favorite.
Is that better than this one?
Definitely it is.
Yeah.
Because this one's got like
Prebiotics or something?
30 grams of which is natural sugar.
Oh.
But it's 30 grams. Like the
Yeah.
greenie's got like 3 grams of sugar.
Oh, okay. I see the difference now. Okay. Toxin flush. Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is greenie.
The greenie. Okay. They all look good. I don't know.
It's up to something more sweet.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. Let's do that. Tox and Flush. Do you wanna go in front of me? You can just take him. Yeah, I'm just over here vlogging. I still wanna get something else though. And these are really good prices too. So like wellness shots, $3.95. Cold pressed juices, $7.50. Yes. So these are the sizes. I'm gonna get the middle one. And I was reading that it's also like customizable. Like you can add whatever you want, like to something, you know, an ingredient.
You definitely make your own blend.
Yeah.
Make your own juice. Make your own bowl.
That's
yeah,
really
you can
cool.
get creative.
Yeah.
Whatever you're craving, whatever.
That's awesome.
Whatever the mood is.
Yeah, because sometimes, you know, I don't like celery, you know, stuff like that. So I just take it out or add something.
Peanut butter?
Yeah. I love it. Cool.
Good, right?
Yeah, so I got the app. So, okay, let me see. Oh, yeah, so I have like the free offer and then I have a $25 certificate.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, how does that work?
We can do this one.
For the smoothie that I got?
For the smoothie or the juice.
Yeah.
This one, switch it.
Okay, the 60, yeah.
Juice.
There's
Unless you want to do a smoothie instead of the juice.
Oh, right.
Either one.
Do they already make it? Or, no? Okay, then yeah, let's do a smoothie. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to a smoothie since I've got the free smoothie offer, and then I'm gonna get these.
Okay.
So how much is that total?
Let's see.
Since I have the 25, I'm trying to get.
So the smoothie, you want to get one of the fusion blends instead? Or
Which
you
one?
still want to do for the smoothie? You doing the smoothie?
Sorry, I was like, I should have read it that it was a smoothie.
No, you do a smoothie or a juice. So which one are you choosing? The
Oh.
juice or the smoothie?
Which one's better for you? Juice?
I like the Tox and Flush.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. So
Then you want to do the smoothie, you pick the mango is really good.
no, let's do the Tox and Flush.
Tox and Flush.
Flush me out, yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get that one, the 16. With the app.
You want me
Yeah.
to put it on ice?
So I got the energy shot, the immunity shot, the charcoal detox, and the keep greens detox, and a smoothie. So how should I do the app?
Click it. Juice. Get the free juice.
Cool.
Scan it. Go to there you go.
Perfect.
That's about it.
Cool.
We'll get the free juice.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Yay. Thank you.
Let me know, okay?
Yes. And do you have change? I have ones. Thank you. Okay, there you go. Tips. Thanks. Thank you. And I'm just gonna wait for my juice. I'm gonna have more snacks. They have turmeric chips, puffs. I'm getting hungry just looking at this stuff. Everything is so healthy. I love it. Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome.
What was your name?
My name's Herbert.
Hi, Christina. Thank you so much.
No
Yes.
problem. You have like a YouTube channel?
Thank you. Now, was that?
You have a YouTube channel? Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't mind if you don't mind.
Yes. Well, thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. So good. This literally feels like a detox. Legit. I'm gonna get right over. Oh my god, look. It's so pretty. It's finally getting hot. I love it. So this is what I got at Nectar. This I already finished. This was so good. If you're not used to green juices, you might not like this one, but I love, love, love the green juices. So I already finished that. These two wellness shots. So I got the energy one and the immunity one. I'm about to take this right now because I'm about to have dinner. So I'm not taking it on an empty stomach. And I feel like hopefully it helps me because I'm trying to not get sick. I have a feeling that I might get sick. I don't know. And this I'm gonna take in the morning before I get on the plane. I'm going to Florida in the morning and then Virginia after that. And then I got this charcoal juice with probiotics. I'm gonna drink this in the morning or maybe even tonight. And also this healing green ones with prebiotics. So, because you can't take liquids with you on the plane, so I'm gonna have these either tonight or in the morning. We'll see. But I'm so excited. This is definitely gonna help me out. I also just cooked dinner. So I just cooked these Malaysian spiced pork chops from Green Chef. This is the keto / gluten-free, which I'm, you know, I don't eat meat. I haven't in years, but I'm foregoing that just for this keto thing. So this looks really good. I've had so many recipes from them already. This is my second week and I love it. They also have other, you know, diets, not just keto. They have Mediterranean, they have vegetarian, different options. So definitely check them out. I'll link them for you guys. And if you follow my link, you also get 4 free meals if you first sign up. So check them out. I got the option where you get 2 meals basically for 2 people and 3 recipes, so 6 meals per week, but you can also get more if you have like a bigger family. So there's different options. So before I eat, I'm trying to find the light, there we go. So before I eat, I'm gonna take this shot right here because I don't want it to mix with food. I want it to work, so I'm taking it on an empty stomach. I'm gonna shake it up, bottoms up. There's different pieces of like fruit and veggies in there, but it doesn't feel weird. This has beet, turmeric, pomegranate. That's the pomegranate, I think, the pieces. Blueberry, and mint. A supercharged blend to power up your immune system and fight off free radicals. Exactly what I need. Yes, it tastes like veggies, but it has a sweet taste to it too. It's like perfect. It's like a mini meal. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's definitely tasty. I love it. So yeah, I'm about to eat dinner, then run to the store, and then I'm gonna come back and pack my bag and edit some videos tonight. I got done with a bunch of filming just now before dinner, so I'm trying to get everything done because I have to wake up at like 5 a.m. to catch my plane. So I still want to get some sleep tonight. It's already 9. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so just got to the airport like 2 hours ago. I've been sitting down, have not slept yet because I was packing all night, left early in the morning because last time was my flight. So I've been sitting down, eating breakfast, having my juice. I was going to show you because I'm about to go through security and I have to drink all the stuff, but I wanted to show you the second wellness shot that I took. This one has matcha, green apple, coconut water, and ginger. I liked it, but I think I like the first shot better. And then I drank this one, the Detox, the charcoal, with my breakfast. This one has filtered water, lemon juice, agave nectar, activated charcoal, which helps to detoxify you, and probiotics. So I'm resting into like so bright out here. It was surprisingly like very sweet. Like I wasn't expecting that. Dude, I literally cannot see anything right now. I think my eyes are just sensitive because I haven't slept. And this one is healing greens. It's actually super sweet, surprisingly sweet for green juice. I like it. Tasted apple juice, coconut, cucumber juice, lemon juice, parsley juice, spinach, ginger juice, and prebiotics. 100% juice from Santa Ana, California. So it's from here. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this and go through security. I was just like sitting down, working on my Shopify, my YouTube. I posted a video on YouTube. I posted a couple of new products on Shopify. I'll link them below. So I'm gonna go inside. Just got this jumbo juice bowl and a water. I'm in Denver. Just gonna have a little snack posted on the gram and wait for my next flight. So we just came out to the backyard. It's finally sunny. It's been raining all day. Mom, с днем рождения. Happy birthday. What is this? Uh-huh. She's like a Marilyn Monroe today. Oh. Гарно.